Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving into the brand new Volkswagen T-ROC, a Volkswagen's stylish compact crossover that's been turning heads since its debut. VW has refreshed the T-ROC with sharper looks, smarter tech, and even better efficiency. But does it still stand out in the crowded compact SUV market? Let's find out. The T-ROC comes with a bolder, more premium design. Up front, you'll notice the updated LED matrix headlights, a redesigned grille with a light bar running across, and a cleaner bumper layout. The side profile keeps its coupe-like stance with strong character lines and stylish alloy wheels, now available up to 19 inches. At the back, slimmer taillights and a refreshed bumper give it a more upscale look. Overall, it strikes the perfect balance between sporty and sophisticated. Step inside, and the T-ROC feels more premium than ever. Volkswagen has really upped the game with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and redesigned seats for improved comfort. The centerpiece is the new 12.9-inch Infotainment touchscreen running VW's latest software, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a crisp 10.25-inch digital cockpit, a head-up display, and a new voice assistant powered by AI. Our trims offer premium options like a Beats audio system, ventilated leather seats, and even massage functionality for the driver. Practicality hasn't been forgotten, with over 445 liters of boot space. The T-ROC is as versatile as it is stylish. Under the hood, the T-ROC offers a variety of power trims, depending on the market. Buyers can choose from a 1.5-liter TSI Evo 2 petrol with mild hybrid technology for better efficiency, a 2.0-liter TSI with up to 190 horsepower and available for a motion all-wheel drive, or a 2.0-liter TDI diesel option for those who need long-distance economy. All engines are paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic, ensuring smooth and quick shifts. The ride feels planted yet comfortable, striking that sweet spot between agility and daily usability. Safety is another strong point for the T-ROC. Volkswagen has loaded it with advanced driver assistance features like IQ.Drive Travel Assist with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping and lane change assist, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking. It's clear VW designed the T-ROC to not just look good, but to keep you and your family safe. The T-ROC will be offered in trims like Life, Style, R-Line, and the performance-oriented T-ROC R. Pricing starts at around a negation 28,000 in Europe and climbs higher depending on trim and engine choice. With customizable options and sporty packages, there's a T-ROC for everyone, whether you want a stylish urban commuter or a spirited small SUV with real performance. So, is the Volkswagen T-ROC worth it? Absolutely. It combines bold styling, modern tech, and versatile performance in a package that feels premium yet practical. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly compact SUV or a stylish daily driver with personality, the T-ROC continues to be one of the strongest contenders in its class. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would you choose the T-ROC over rivals like the Hyundai Kona, Kia Sportage, or Mazda CX-30? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.